Hello everyone, under the clear blue sky of Nunspeet, the corn harvest season has arrived. The whole field is brilliant with the golden color of ripe corn, stretching to the horizon. The sound of machinery echoes throughout the field, where the Fendt Katana 650 combined with the Kemper 460 plus of BMWW Agriservice BV from Nijkerkerveen is working tirelessly. This modern cutter shows strength and precision. Each row of corn is neatly cut, leaving behind a feeling of satisfaction for those who witness it. The power of the Fendt Katana 650 lies not only in its performance but also in its perfect synchronization with the Kemper 460 plus cutting head. The system is the epitome of cutting-edge agricultural technology, optimizing every single detail of the harvesting process. Each corn plant is harvested quickly and efficiently, ensuring that not a single grain is wasted. This is a collaboration between humans and technology, a great example of how progress is helping to improve agricultural productivity. The transportation of the harvested product is also an integral part of this process. In the field, a series of powerful Fendts move in sync with the silage wagons from Truyen, and Fendt, creating a continuous chain of operations. Each vehicle is working at full capacity, ensuring that every ton of corn is transported quickly and safely to the collection point. From there, the precious corn will be silaged and used in further agricultural activities, helping to nourish the community and boost the rural economy. Watching the rolling carts, we not only see the movement of the machines, but also feel the tireless efforts of the farmers and agricultural workers. They are the silent heroes, working tirelessly to bring about bountiful harvests. Every time the Fendt passes by, we know that it is the result of hours of hard work, their dedication, and pride in their profession. The corn harvest in Nunspeet is not just a story about a machine or a field, but also a story about solidarity, cooperation, and the desire to reach for better things. The farmers have turned these fields into symbols of sustainable development, of community strength, and of faith in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our NFT TV channel. See you in the next videos.